older buddies can be so supportive. Psyching myself up for this quick V8 route, which could be a V1 or V2 in Japan. Quite painful, but very exhilarating. With that right hand reach, little hop to the left crimp hold. Needed to flag my foot so I could put in that heel hook. Found myself a little stable, especially with the volume. Most people put up their left foot there as well, but I couldn't. So glad I didn't fall after that bump move. Now just trying to stabilize so I can put in a thumb over the final hold. And I made it. Whoop-de-doo. Thanks for the support, guys.